Okay guys, so I'm going to get my hair done. I will check in a little bit. Get into the cheese. So this weekend I went into the city to go to the Lattafa perfume pop-up with one of my friends. It was super cute and we got adorable content the whole time. One thing about me is I'm always gonna go get my nails done, so come with me to get these super cute Frenchies. My last few scents have been like super elaborate designs, so I kind of just wanted to go simple this time. After that, I went to go do a little shopping at Burlington. Nothing too crazy of a haul, I just wanted to get some new makeup that I saw and some fragrance oils. Last week I also did a little decor shopping for my room, so I wanted to give you guys a mini room tour. I finally got all my perfumes ready for fall. I'm literally in the middle of redoing my little vanity area right now, so hopefully next video I'll have a vanity tour for you guys.
Qu'est-ce que tu attends?